be done right now.
Matt, do you mind? Stop it. Get your.
Hi.
Hey guys. Stop that. No, Matt. Seriously.
I'm turning back.
Seriously, Matt.
I'm turning back up.
No, leave it alone, please.
For the Chicago Bulls, but I doubt they'll hold this lead by the time they get to the United Center.
Yeah, I think my team is good.
I doubt
Hey guys,
they'll hold
I'm
this
gonna
lead.
put a light on here. It feels a little dark in here.
No.
Did you?
You should be a fan of
No, I want it because I feel a little dark in
I
here.
hope they come through. I don't really like the Celtics that much, but you should be
Oh, Bridget, play that Chic
Oh,
song. I
Oh,
wanna
okay.
dance to it.
You should be proud of yourself, man. Having won.
Sarah, record it.
You've got to be joking.
No, record me dancing.
Go ahead.
I hope the Chicago
That's
Bulls win, bro.
Yeah.
So beat the Hawks.
Here we are.
Yeah. Do you mind for someone sees us? What you? Matt, what are you doing? Matt, what in the world are you doing?
Cover up.
Cover it up with your body. You think? Because, but you know, make sure someone knocks. Oh, good, you're a guard. Come on, Isaac.
What's going on, DJ?